How to send videos on Gmail. First of all, head over to your application Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on Compose right here. So in this section, enter the email address that you want to send the video. And then here enter the subject. Let me just write video. Now tap on this icon right here at the top and then click on Attach File. Tap on this three line at the top left corner. Head over to your gallery. It will show you all the videos that are stored on your gallery. Now select the video that you want to send. And then tap on Done at the top right corner. Once the video has been uploaded, tap on Send at the top right corner. There you go, the video has been sent successfully. In order to check it out, tap on this three line at the top left corner and then tap on Send. So here at the very first, you can see that the video has been sent successfully. Likewise, you can send any of the videos on Gmail. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.